Hey everyone, it's Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. Now don't panic, we are still offering our 3 months free storage. That's not what this is about. This is about what happens after the 3 months of free storage. So you get 3 months, and the idea behind that is it gives you time to put together half a dozen different orders so you can come in or have them all shipped out in one hit, rather than having to ship one small amount then another small amount. Or it gives you a chance to lock in a purchase, and then maybe you can't come in for a few weeks, so then you can come in and pick it up. We are still offering that 3 months of free service, but some people will have started to receive some letters about you've had stuff in storage for longer than 3 months. We're now starting to get ready to charge you an ongoing fee for that one if you wish to maintain your stuff in storage. But if you don't want to pay for the storage fee, you're more than welcome to either come in and pick it up or ship it out. Now, the initial email that we sent out said we were going to start enforcing that as of the 1st of October. There's a number of people that have said, look, I can't make it by the 1st of October. I won't be able to get in until later on in the month. We've also had a couple of technical hiccups, as you frequently do with new IT systems. So we've decided that we'll actually push that out till the 1st of November. So if you've got stuff in storage, you've got till the 1st of November to pick it up or to have it shipped out once your 3 months are finished. I don't want to confuse people here. You still get the 3 months free. Don't stress about that, but it's just after that. You've still got up until the end of October to come in and pick it up or get it shipped out. But after that, we will be charging that 0.6% plus GST, I think it is. So it works out to be 0.66% of your holdings here, or a minimum of, I believe, $60 per annum, that is. And that's, look, the reason behind it is our insurances have gone absolutely through the roof. So while we've been a little lax in the past with enforcing that 3 month or greater than 3 month storage, we're really having to start pulling that back because the storage, the insurance fees have just gone to the ridiculous. So look, it's still a very cheap way to store your silver, or gold, to store your bullion. It's fully insured, it's in a secure facility, all those types of things. So it's still a good, cheap way to do it. But we're just giving people as much heads up as we can that decisions need to be made. If you've got any questions at all in regards to this, just ask them down below, or give us a call, 1300 84 84 10. Talk to one of the wonderful people on there. They'll be able to explain it all to you. Or you can drop into the store, so that's level 6, 227 Collins Street, and either have a discussion with one of us or pick up your gear. Either way. That's it for now. We will talk again very, very soon. See ya.